Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Title of the project: Thermocouple. Group members: Chavan Shrikant Sheshrav, Chavan Manohar Vijay, Dal Divya Sanjay, Dangar Abhishek Anil, under the guidance of Professor V.N. Jadhav. A thermocouple is a temperature measuring device consisting of two dissimilar conductors that contact each other at one or more spots. It produces a voltage when the temperature of one of the spots differs from the reference temperature at other parts of the circuit. Misconception in thermoelectricity: the EMF is generated by the Seebeck effect is due to the temperature gradient along the wire. The EMF is not generated at the junction between two dissimilar wires. Principle of operation of thermocouple are based on the principle that wires are made of dissimilar materials connected at either end will generate a potential between the two ends that is a function of the material and temperature difference between the two ends, also called as Seebeck effect. Sheath operation: the Seebeck effect is the conversion of thermal energy or temperature difference directly to electrical energy or electricity. The effect measure is at which the excess electrons will circulate in an electrical circuit under the influence of thermal difference. The change in the voltage is proportional to the temperature difference between the junction when the ends are connected to form a loop. Applications are steel industries, gas appliance safety, thermopline radiation sensor, manufacturing, power production, thermoelectric cooling, process plants, thermocouple as vacuum gauge. Advantages of thermocouple: it is rugged in construction, covers a wide temperature range, using extension leads and compensating cables, long transmission distance for temperature measurement possible. This is most suitable for temperature measurement of industrial furnaces, comparatively cheaper in cost. Calibration can be easily checked, offers good reproducibility, high speed of response, and satisfactory measurement accuracy. Limitations: for accurate temperature measurement, cold junction compensation is necessary. The EMF induced various temperature characteristics is somewhat nonlinear. Stray voltage pickup is possible. In many applications, amplifications of signal is required.